Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Okay, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the smooth step. I couldn't find the official name, but it's a dance step that looks super smooth, so I called it the smooth step. Okay, I saw someone called it the squid walk. That could be a better name. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I brought out some chairs. That's the best way to not get tired so quickly, so you can take off some of the weight, all right? So the first thing you want to do, basically the key to this move is being able to do this, all right? So for instance, just lift up your left leg, and then the right leg is gonna say lift up your toes. So you're on the heel and then turn to the right side, all right? And then you just wanna go back. Pretty simple, right? So you just wanna do whoop, all right? That's basically it. And then practice again, whoop, again, whoop, again, whoop, last time, whoop. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, once you've done that 1,000 times, what you want to do now is so right now your right leg, the toes are pointing to the front. Your left leg, the toes are pointing, let's say, left corner-ish here, all right? So they're turned out a bit. Now, from here, what you want to do is, the right is still doing this, okay? Now the left is doing lift up, down, all right? So now the left toes are pointing to the front. Okay, let me just rewind. Boom. I went from here to here. Okay, I think it's important to show you from this angle as well. So I went from here to here. All right, let me rewind. From here, here. Now, once you practice this a million times to your right side here, you want to do it to the left side now, all right? Now, the left side, basically the same, it's just opposite. So now the left foot is going up on your heel, turning your toes to your left side, all right? Now, the right leg is just saying up, down, all right? So I went from here to here, okay? And then you just want to continue this from side to side. So you're going back right side, left side, right side, and so on. So from this angle, it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 and so on. Now, when you do it with the chair, it's gonna be easy to do it slowly, but when you do it without the chairs, your legs are maybe not that used to doing this move, so it might be a bit more stiff-ish. Yeah, so it might look like this in the beginning, where you're doing it too fast, but the key is really being able to do it slow. All right, so when you lift up your toes and bring them down here, the smoother this is, the better it will be. So, whoom, 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 whoom. And all this takes is just practice, practice, practice. Okay? Another thing you could do is bend your knees. Right, that looks a bit smoother than just being up here, okay? So bend your knees, boom, boom. Notice how my body is almost swaying from side to side by bending my knees. Hey, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.